So, Khawateen Hazrat bhai, tahe dil se mujhe join kare in welcoming the two people who bring the beat to the Desi world. I'm talking about, of course, Desi Beats. Tanya, Karan, thank you so much for joining us on Last One. Okay, Pehli baat, I want to ask you guys something really quickly, okay? I know that Desi Beats is a little different from your typical promoter gig, okay? Promoters to bahut hai, but I think you guys are a little bit bigger than that. I think you guys are almost like an organization on yourself.
That's right. Yeah.
So, can you just quickly define to me कि मतलब Desi Beats as a whole hai kya and aap log karte kya hai?
Yeah, so we are a team of 10 executives, 10 to 12 executives.
And are you guys all students, by the way?
Yes. Okay. Well, some have graduated already. Not all students, but some are working. But some, जो कई हैं वो students भी हैं.
Right.
So we all, first thing is we all very passionate about this.
Right.
And with the common goal. हमें Desi Beats को हर event के साथ हम pretty much organize events organize करते हैं. तो हमारा common goal ये है कि हमें Desi Beats को एक नई जगह पे लेकर जाना है जहाँ पे कोई भी ना हो.
Right.
So we wanna make sure कि हमारे हर event में कुछ uniqueness है.
Right.
And it stands out.
Yep.
So every event, even regardless, we're doing Punjabi event, we're doing it for the Indian community, we're doing it for the Pakistani community, Sri Lanka, any Desi community.
Right.
We want to do something different and for everyone.
True. True.
And हमारा common goal एक ये भी है कि we want to do it with everyone.
Yes.
We just don't want to be, you know, हम अकेले ही ठीक है. हमें सबके साथ collaborate करके एक अच्छा, you know, like एक अच्छा सा event.
And I think that's a good thing. I think the inclusive जो है जो सबको साथ लेके चलने का जज्बा, I think that's a great one.
Right. Exactly.
Where did this all begin?
2 years ago.
2 years.
2 years ago.
Yeah.
And
I think like 3 executives, and now we're up at 10. Like, it's slow, but we're all passionate about everything.
ये किसके दिमाग में पहले ये आइडिया आया था कि भाई एक Desi Beats organization?
ये शुरू तो मुझसे हुआ. मैं और मेरा एक friend थे. We started doing house parties and stuff.
Right.
तो वो house parties इतनी अच्छी होने लगी. Everyone started enjoying. We thought चलो इसको next level पे लेकर जाते हैं. We made our own club in colleges and you know फिर वहाँ पे हमने parties और करना शुरू किया. And then after that, those parties were really successful. Everyone enjoyed it. We started doing parties in nightclub, like you know, जो आसपास club है. Yeah, banquet hall में भी किया. We did a last one. Last year we did it in Versailles Banquet Hall.
Nice.
वो रंग बरसे था. तो वो भी like हर एक step के बाद हर बारी हर party के बाद अच्छा response आता ही गया. And we kept on growing, and like now we are at a stage. Only within 2 years we are at a stage कि like almost Toronto में तो हमें हर कोई जानता ही है.
So ये जो events आप लोग करते हैं, like you mentioned, you know, most promoters will usually affiliate with a club कि यही club में हमारे events होते हैं. And I think that you guys sort of diversify in terms of banquet halls भी हो गए, bars हो गए, clubs हो गए, and मुख्तलिफ होते हैं हमेशा. I think कि इधर every part of town. Is there an advantage to that in terms of being so diverse in terms of locations?
Well, people never expect like the same type of party. We're always going for something better, something bigger, something that people come back and beg for more parties.
Absolutely.
And that's what we get. We get a good response for that. So.
Yeah. And I think you know, one thing I found really interesting is the fact that you guys almost exclusively focus on the student crowd.
Right.
Which is not the easiest crowd to do because it's an ever evolving market. I think students get taste आज ये fashion में है 3 महीने बाद किसी और चीज़
exactly
लगे. So how do you stay on top of it?
It's just like you know, like we've been through that. तो हमें पता है like you know that how हमारे change हमारी parties और में जाते हैं तो हमें हमेशा like we want something different. तो वही change को हम you know like we think about that change all the time और उसी change को हम करके parties अपनी organize करते हैं.
So you guys do go to other events sort of and observe what's going on.
Exactly,
yes,
absolutely.
And our execs also, we're all from different types of cultures, so we get our opinions within our team. So that really builds us for something. A good party.
Right. Now you guys talk so much about sort of you know always being a little bit different.
Right.
How far do you actually have to go to be different? Because I think that you know ये market इतनी saturated हो चुकी है. इतने सारे promoters आ चुके हैं. And I think everyone's trying to do something different. At what point you know do you have to now go like we have to really think out of the box? And what is the craziest event that you've ever done?
Craziest one अभी जो हमने last one किया था that was at York Underground. And it was the capacity was 260 people and we were able to get around like more than that, like 280, 290. And we had to actually turn away people that you know it's all maxed out. We can't let you in.
We had a lineup and everything. It was crazy.
So that one was one of the biggest events and we've done. And like you know, it's not just pub nights that we do. अब हमने जो शफकत अमानत अली यहाँ पे आए थे उनका हुआ था. We were the only what you can say student organization जो इसको promote कर रही थी. So that's more of like you know regular hip hop, you know hip hop beats and वहाँ से हट के हमने थोड़ा classic में भी वो किया. So that's also a different.
And it's a live musical act, right? So it's more than just the Dincha dancing experience altogether.
And किसी ने expect नहीं किया था like Desi Beats शफकत अमानत अली के साथ होंगे और वो हमने करा. और हमने सक्सेसफुल बनाया, इतना सक्सेसफुल था हमने अपनी फेसबुक हर जगह पे प्रमोशंस करी एंड उसको हेल्प करी पूरे सक्सेस की तरफ.
Nice. What I wanted to know was क्या आपकी एग्जीक्यूटिव टीम्स में मतलब हर यूनिवर्सिटी से आते हैं representatives or is it from a specific university predominantly?
We're all from
different college, university. So यही हमारी खास बात है कि some are from York, some are from University of Toronto. So सबको अपना अपना पता है कि यॉर्क के वो यॉर्क का क्राउड वो कैसे हैंडल कर सकता है, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टोरंटो का कैसे कर सकता है. तो सबको जब पता होता है तो जब हम टेबल पे बैठते हैं वी ऑल ब्रिंग इन आवर आइडियाज और जब वो आइडियाज पेपर पे आते हैं तो वो एक यूनिक सा इवेंट निकल आता है.
So अब हम लोग बात करें आई थिंक टू हैव two diverse backgrounds and of course diverse universities as well. अब मैं ट्रिकी से 2 सवाल करने वाला हूँ आप लोगों से. I'll go one first with you Tanya. Since we speak about having different cultures coming into the Desi Beats community, when we talk about various cultures, whether you're Sri Lanka, whether you're Punjabi, whether you're a Bollywood fan, which culture sort of lends itself to the wildest party crowds altogether?
For me, my own personal.
Yeah, when you sit back and you go, okay, you've done a variety of events, right? You've sort of done events for various communities whatsoever. Which community of Desis actually knows how to go out and party?
The Punjabi crowd.
Really?
Sikhs, they know how to party with their bhangra and everything. They're crazy, and we get a lot of them. Especially in the beginning at our parties, we had a lot of those people from that culture come in.
Right.
And really, they brought up our group and our organization to such a level that we're really happy.
That is amazing. Now I'm going to ask you the other tricky question is, okay, which university has a student crowd which goes completely crazy when they're partying?
It's York. I'd say York with Bollywood. And now we're getting in more into Bollywood as well.
Nice.
And हमने realized कि Punjabi and Bollywood, when we put them together, they bring out the best events.
Oh, absolutely. So York University is the wildest party crowd ever. So देखिए माँ-बाप अगर आपके बच्चे कह रहे हैं कि भाई मम्मी पापा मुझे यॉर्क यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ने जाना, you know why now, okay? We'll get you the inside scoop on this. That's amazing. What I want to know though, okay, now you're dealing with students, and I think of course a lot of these events, not all, I know Shafqat probably didn't, involves alcohol. So now we're talking about something which security is a big concern. How much of your work actually just involves making sure that everyone is safe at the events?
Well, we don't let anyone enter without proper ID. Security checks it, then we check it. So we don't let any underage drink. They all have wristbands. So we're very strict about
very particular about that.
And that's always a good thing. It's always good to know, okay, I think it comes from legal age,
exactly.
But then on top of that, once alcohol is in the system, I think Desi event make panga lena is
that's what I feel is great about our organization, because till date we haven't had one party. All our parties have had alcohol, and we've been completely clean, and everyone's been sober enough to leave.
And अगर कुछ हुआ भी है तो security took care of it. And then अगर कुछ obviously we're not perfect. अगर कुछ ऐसा हुआ भी हो कि जो हमें लगे next event में हमने उसे हमेशा fix किया. And that's what it is कि गलतियां तो सब करते हैं, but गलतियों को fix कौन करता है वो matter करता है.
I really like that. I think that what it's one thing sort of being like ऐसा कुछ denial probably is something which makes someone feel unsafe. But to know that you learn from your mistakes is always a great sentiment as well. What I want to know though is we just mentioned earlier about sort of the market being so saturated and there being so much competition in terms of promoters going around. How do you make sure that you're relevant to the market all the time?
Well, depends. I mean, if you're doing a student event, hum definitely will go after students. If we also do young professional events, right? We are partners with Disilicious, which is mostly young, with Mo and Kat, Arya, and all. We do it all Phoenix, and we do it all together. So, which is when we are marketing those kind of events, we are making sure that hum university colleges pe itna nahi kar rahe, but we are targeting more towards young professionals. So each and every single event में एक uniqueness है, एक category सी है. So we make sure कि हम गलत market नहीं कर रहे. वहाँ पे we make a difference.
Absolutely.
And marketing is everything. I mean, तुम अगर if you're marketing, if it's a young professional event and वहाँ पे high school वाले बंदे पहुँच जाते, so obviously it's not going to work out.
Exactly.
Both, yeah.
No, makes perfect sense. Now, of course, speaking of competition, and I know this comes from a more personal perspective, because one of the earlier executives of Desi Beats, there was a moment जब थोड़ा सा scandal हुआ था, as we have to call it scandal, controversy हुई थी, where I think a part of the Desi Beats family split off to go and form a rival group called D Beats. अक्सर मसला ये होता है कि I think there's almost a confusion between the two because the names are so similar.
Exactly.
How did you sort of react to one of your own actually breaking off?
So I mean initially गुस्सा तो बहुत आया था. You know, obviously it's a human nature. आया था कि you know तुमने D Beats क्यों बनाया? Like why not you know some other name? Just because तुम्हें हमें crowd चाहिए तो गुस्सा तो ज़रूर आया था. वो तो nature है. But then after realize किया okay you know instead of focusing कि वो क्या कर रहा है हमें focus करना चाहिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं. And that's what हमने वहाँ से हमने journey शुरू करी एक नई देसी beats की कि let's start focusing on कि देसी beats को बाकी भूल जाओ. Gossip और तो चलती रहती है. You know वो तो कोई भी नहीं चुप होगा. तो हमने वहाँ से शुरू किया एक नया देसी beats और वहाँ से journey अभी तक you know like how successful it's going.
I mean here you go. Here we go. So you guys are going to be doing one of the biggest events that we've seen in 2012 so far. Punjabi MC Superwoman. I think these are deep Jandu.
Very excited for that.
So उसकी बारे में तो बात definitely करनी है हमें. But before that, I want to ask you guys, being a part of Desi Beats, I think being promoters yourselves, what is the worst part of being a promoter? Your lifestyle, I'm assuming it cannot be the lifestyle of an average student. What is the worst part of being a promoter?
I think like for me, it's the day of the party when people are just calling you non-stop for tickets. And for me, it's like get your tickets beforehand and you know, figure your stuff out. Don't get it last minute. So there's a lot of running around that we have to do. And it's not like we can get fully prepared for the party that we're throwing ourselves. It's like we're getting everyone else ready, getting all the money together, everything like that. So
and I can imagine like if your market is Desi, you know, you must be someone be like club में आने दो, यार, साथ में बच्चे, she's 17, एक महीने में 18 होने वाली.
Exactly.
How often do you have to deal with awkward situations like that?
A lot of times होता है. अब you know like अब यही request है सबसे कि जब टिकट्स आउट होती हैं गेट देम लाइक यू नो व्हाई अब तुम्हें पता है तुम्हें देसी बीट्स की पार्टी है तुम्हें आना ही है पार्टी पे तो व्हाई वेट फॉर लास्ट मिनट फिर लास्ट मिनट पे अब डोर पे टिकट्स हमने 25 कर दी थी बिकॉज इट वाज ऑल मैक्स्ड आउट तो कई लोग थे वो कंप्लेन कर रहे थे पहले तो तुम $10 की बेच रहे थे अब 25 की बेच रहे हो तो हमारा उनको यही होता है तुमने पहले क्यों नहीं खरीदी फिर अब जब 260 अंदर बंदे आ गया इंस्टेड ऑफ अभी क्लोज हमने नहीं किया यू नो लाइक वी आर स्टिल लेटिंग यू इन बट लाइक हम कर क्या सकते हैं आगे
एग्जैक्टली एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट इज अ बिजनेस राइट एंड आई थिंक आई वांट टू टॉक मोर अबाउट द बिजनेस एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट व्हेन वी कम बैक इन जस्ट अ बिट But before we go to a quick break, मुझे आप लोगों से ये सवाल करना है कि what is the best part of being, you know, part of Desi Beats and promoters?
Enjoying life. I mean, it keeps you busy. There's ये नहीं है, it's not a 9 to 5 job. या 1 बजे भी हम रात को मीटिंग करते हैं, 3 बजे भी मीटिंग करते हैं. Okay, you know, I've got an idea. Let's all meet up.
But जब आपकी पार्टी 3 बजे तक चलनी है, तो why not have a meeting at 3 a.m.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, I mean, it keeps us busy and keeps us motivated, keeps us passionate. तो यही मतलब, you know, that's what we really enjoy about.
So भाई जैसे कि आप नाज़रीन आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि there's a lot of passion, there's a lot of fun, and there's definitely a lot of masti that goes into creating the Desi Beats experience altogether. But इस experience के बारे में और बातें करनी है, and of course we have to talk about the big event that they're putting together on the 9th of March. ये सारी बातें हम करेंगे, पर एक छोटी सी ब्रेक के बाद आप कहीं ना जाइएगा, क्योंकि मैं और Desi Beats अभी गए और अभी वापस आए.